Hello guys, welcome to Brianna Zone. Today I got this for my birthday. It's called Pets Alive. And I really want this because I want to practice because when I get older I want a pet for my birthday when I get older. So it says try me. You can give this the carrot to the bunny and they'll make a sound, and then you can on this side you can pet its head so it make a sound too. And there's 4 baby bunnies inside, so I'm gonna try it because I'm very excited. So let's get started. So guys, this is the way to open it. Open this, but you have to take this off first. I need scissors though to open it. I'm gonna put it here. Guys, my sister's gonna help me so I don't hurt myself.
Wait.
Thanks, Brianna.
Wait, no, there's more. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Is there any more?
No, I don't think. Yeah, no more.
Okay.
Thanks, Brianna.
Just put it here. Oh my goodness, that's not going.
So guys, let's try it. Let me take off this part. Open this part and then twist it and then do that. I think, yeah. And then, oh, it fell up, but it's okay. Guys, let's try it now. Let's open it. It's here. Guys, look. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Look, do you like it, guys? We have to on it first. On. So it's on there. So guys, we have to see. There's surprises in this one, guys. There's surprises in this one, so I'm gonna open it now. Oops, I need to open it.
So guys, there's little babies in here that we're going to open. So I'm gonna open the first one.
Can I open the second one?
Yeah, sure.
A bottle for the baby.
There's 3 babies, but there's a bottle. There's a bottle inside for the rabbits. The
Baby
bunnies.
rabbit. Now I'm gonna open the second one.
Open it here. Open it here.
Oh. It's hard.
Here.
Oh. There's stickers, guys. Yeah. There's stickers, guys. We got a pink one. So cute, right, guys? Do they have any more? Oh, one more, guys. Do you like it? So cute. So now we're gonna open the second one. Third one. We're opening the first one. It's a baby rabbit. Aww.
It's a great baby rabbit.
Do you guys like it? So cute. Put it beside the mommy one. Now we're gonna open the last one. Oops, there's the other one. Yep. There's another baby rabbit. Oh, okay. It fell. Oh, do you guys like it? So cute. And these So guys, we're gonna feed the baby rabbit. So guys, I'm gonna feed the baby rabbits now. So this one first. The babies like it. Oh, guys. Now we're gonna feed the mommy rabbit now. Put these there. And feed the cat. We'll have to take this out so we can feed it. Take it out.
Perfect.
Thank you. I'm gonna feed it. You guys hear that? Oh, that's so cute. Let's feed the baby ones too.
It's right?
Yeah. I didn't know this too.
It was 4.
When there's it makes sounds when I hug it. It doesn't. And when I do this too. Isn't that nice, guys? So now, guys. Okay. So guys, now this is gonna be the end of the video, and I'm gonna put it in their place for now for them to sleep. Put it in, and then put the baby rabbit in the place that they were, so they can sleep. So guys, if you and the carrot, put it in here. Bottle. And then we close it. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below. We're gonna Bye guys.